Alright, so I'm going to attempt to put a screen protector on my Rebel SL2 here, my Canon Rebel SL2. So here's what I got from Amazon. These are dust absorbers, after you wipe it all down, of course. We got our screen protector right here. Okay. One screen protector. Ooh, there we go. Screen protector. Okay, we'll put that here so I can get to it. Here's the instructions. Here's the instructions. So what we're going to do here is, first of all, we're going to clean this whole area off with wipe 1. Then we're going to use wipe 2 to dry it all, to get any dust off of it. And then we're going to use the dust abraser sticker to take off any dust that might be left on there, which I don't think we'll have. I think we'll be okay. But we'll keep this aside just in case I need it. Let's tear these guys apart here. And then again, this one's a little bit different than some other ones I've seen. So basically I'm going to pull this off, which will open up the back here. The back, I kind of stick on like that, and hopefully get it nice and straight, and then stick around. So that'll be fun. That'll be a fun one to try and do. I'll probably do it like this. I'll probably hold it like that, get her down like that, and like that. We'll figure it out. Let's clean the surface first here. Get a really good cleaning here, go over the whole thing, really clean it up. If it's all marked up, you want to make sure you have nothing on there. Okay, let's dry it off. Number 2. That does not seem like it is really drying it off. No, it is not. That is not drying it off at all. Alright, that seems still wet, so I'm using an actual one for glass here just to clean this off. This is horrible. Yeah, maybe don't use the stuff that comes with it. This is not good. Okay, so it's on now, just to show everyone what it looks like here. Turn that on. Go. Not bad at all. Works okay. Switch it over to there. Take a picture here. Quick picture with it. Look at that, what it looks like. There we go. Not bad. It's doing exactly what it should do. A screen protector just protect my screen from getting scratched. Perfect. Well, hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching, guys.